The next construction is a perpendicular line through a point on a line. So I'm going to move to problem number 7. So I have this line segment. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and place a point on this line segment. Anywhere I want. This looks like a good spot. Okay. And once I have this point, I'm going to place the compass at this point. And I'm going to draw arcs to the left and right of this point. Now notice this is a line segment, so there are already points. I am not trying to draw arcs through those points. Okay, this point that I created here may or may not be the midpoint. It probably isn't. So I wouldn't even be able to if I tried. So I'm going to do an arc here, and then I'm going to go ahead and put another arc here on either side. So what happens is, once I have an arc on either side without changing the setting, now I can go ahead and I can place points at those intersections. So here's a point that I'll be using, and here's another point. Okay? So once I do that, I'm going to go back to my compass, and here's the important step. I'm going to make sure that I take this compass and I make this setting greater. So I'm going to extend it. Now what I'm going to do is put it at one of those intersections that I just drew, and I am going to draw an arc above this line. So I'm going to move it a little bit. Okay, here we go. Here's an arc. Using that same setting, I'm going to move to the other intersection point, place my compass, and I'm going to draw another arc. So these arcs should intersect. Okay. The next step is go ahead and draw your point at the intersection of your arcs, and then when you select your straight edge tool, you can draw a line through the point that you originated with, that you're going perpendicular through this point, so the line should go through the point, and it's going to go up through the intersection of the arcs. And so I can go this way too if I want to extend it. And so now the line that I drew here is perpendicular to line segment AB through this point.